Today we are going to learn coal. Coal is a fossil fuel which consists of carbon and its compounds along with hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen and sulfur. Now we are going to learn the formation of coal. Coal is formed from dead plants. These dead plants get buried deep into the soil. They lie there over millions of years. At high temperature and pressure, these dead plants get converted to coal by the process carbonization. The coal thus formed get deposited over the coal beds. These coal beds lie below the earth's surface. From these coal beds, coal is dug out by the process called mining. Mainly, two different mining are employed depending upon the depth of the coal bed where it is present. One is surface mining, the other is underground mining. If the coal beds lie within 22 feet from the earth's surface, then surface mining is employed. When the coal beds lie deep into the earth's surface, then underground mining is employed. Now we are going to learn the different types of coal, and this classification is mainly based on the content of carbon in them. Peat, lignite, bituminous and anthracite are the different types of coal we are going to learn today. Peat and lignite are the lowest grade of coal which contain at about 25 to 35% of coal in them. Then the main application or the use of lignite is it is used in the generation of electricity. It has got a very low calorific value. Coming to next category, it is bituminous and subbituminous and bituminous. Subbituminous coal consists of 35 to 45% of carbon. It is mainly used for electricity generation. It is also having low calorific value. Then comes the bituminous coal, which consists of 45 to 86% of carbon, having high calorific value. It is mainly used in iron and steel industries. It is also used as a fuel and in the generation of electricity. Then the highest grade coal is anthracite. Anthracite consists of 86 to 97% of carbon and it has got the highest calorific value. So these are the different types of coal which we have to know. Lignite, subbituminous, bituminous and anthracite are the different types of coal. Uses of coal. Coal is used for power generation, generation of heat and electricity. It is also used as cosmetics, used in the preparation of toothpaste, used in the preparation of hair shampoos. It is also used in making paper. It is used in alumina refineries. And mainly it is used as a reducing agent in various industries like iron and steel industries. It is also used in the making of lubricants, activated charcoal, waterproof dress. So these are some of the main uses of carbon. Now we are going to learn the products obtained from coal. The products obtained from coal include coke, coal tar, coal gas and ammonia. When coal is taken in a test tube in a powdery form and heated, It results in the formation of the products like coke, coal tar, coal gas and ammonia. Coke is mainly used as a very good reducing agent. In iron and steel industries, it consists of 99% of carbon. When burnt, it produces no smoke. It is black and porous in nature. It is a very good fuel. It is also used in the extraction of various metals from their ores because of its reducing property. Coke is also used in the production of producer gas and also water gas. The next product that is obtained from coal is coal tar. Coal tar is a mixture of different carbon compounds. It is unpleasant in smell. It is thick black liquid. Then it is also used in the preparation of naphthalene balls which are used to repel the small insects. Then the next product obtained from coal is coal gas. Coal gas is also known as town gas, which is a mixture of hydrogen, methane and carbon monoxide. Coal gas, it has got a high calorific value. Another one product we are getting from coal burning is ammonia. Ammonia, it is used in the making of fertilizers like superphosphate, ammonium superphosphate and ammonium sulfate. So these are the products which we mainly get when coal is burnt. Okay children, so when coal is burnt, we mainly get coke, coal tar, coal gas and ammonia. I hope you might have understood today's class children. Thank you children.